All right, pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off and running once again. All three bots on the Red Alliance move forward, gaining 5 valuable points for crossing the baseline. 12:61 and 63:25 class the baseline as well. As 40:26 tries to stoke the boulder, gaining points. One of those fuel elements in the top high efficiency goal gains 1 point. 3 in the low efficiency goal gains 1 point in autonomous. Now that we're into teleop mode, the point values change. 56:51 down there trying to deliver a gear to the airship. 12:61 dances between 41.88 and 56:51. Heading down the field, they're now in the neutral zone. 41.88 and 44.68. We're at the retrieval zone. Now 41.88 heads down with a gear to their airship, trying to place that gear on one of the pegs so the pilots can lift it up onto the airship, place it in a gear set, and get a rotor turning. The Red Alliance has 2 rotors turning, worth at least 40 points apiece, while the Blue Alliance has 1 center rotor turning. 56-40, 56-51, and 46-48 hung up there in the middle for a moment. They separate from each other and move on down the field as 41-88 and 40-26 are at the retrieval zone. 44-68 releases 100 fuel elements onto the field. 12-61, the Robo Lions collected a gear and now are moving down the field. They bang into the airship, correct themselves, and move on down the field. As 63-25 is down at the top of the key. They're at the release bar for the fuel elements. 44-68 has retrieved one of those gears and is moving down through the neutral zone, passes their teammate 41-88 and heads toward the airship. As 12-61 is at the airship, placing a gear on the pegs so that they can be raised by the pilots. Now the pilots are releasing the ropes with under 30 seconds left to go as the bots can attempt to gain a seat for flight on the airship by raising themselves up the rope, touching the touchpad, lighting up the light. As you see 41-88 climbing, they're climbing up. They have come in contact with the touchpad. They have gained 50 valuable points for their alliance by securing themselves a seat on the airship for flight. All right, that was match 54. Let's take a look. Watch on the screen as the race continues in the cloud. And the Red Alliance crosses the line with a score of 230-50, gaining 2 valuable ranking points for each team member of that alliance.